Assalamualaikum, this is Naidison Arnob and welcome back to Bangla Village Life. As you can see in front of me a dragon tree and I'm on the roof on my own house. So today's video gonna be really interesting because I'm going to talk about this dragon which is very adorable to all of us. My wife planted this tree almost 1 year ago. So this dragon tree has full of dragon, as you can see here, and every branches has a lot of birds. So we will pick them later on. And so today we are going to pick these types of red dragon. So let's get started. I'm really excited to have it. Okay, তাহলে চলো এবার হচ্ছে আমরা মোটামুটি ছিঁড়ে ফেলি। তুমি ছিড়বা না আমি ছিড়বো? তুমি ছেড়ো, তোমার হাতের গাছ, তুমি আসলে এতদিন ধরে যত্ন করেছো। আচ্ছা নাও ছেড়ো। কি সুন্দর, হাতে আবার কাটা ফোটে না। ছেড়ো, বিসমিল্লাহ। মাশাআল্লাহ মাশাআল্লাহ, খুবই সুন্দর। নাও রাখো। কয়টা আছে মোট?
6-7টা আছে।
Okay, let's see how many we can collect from this tree. This is the another one we are going to pick. Aste hate kata fote na. Okay, very nice. Khabo খেয়ে আমরা আপনাদেরকে জানাবো. We will let you know its taste also. ধরো এটা ধরো। বাপরে, এটা বেশ বড়। হ্যাঁ রে, গাছ ছিঁড়ে গেল নাকি?
না, ঠিক আছে।
Oh, nice. Yeah, 4, and this is really massive. This one is really massive. Okay, yeah, okay, let me do this. Yep, got it. Pass na? Pasta ar koi. And this is the last one and it's tiny. No matter, we got total 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this one the largest one. Okay, so this is the final output of dragon. So I'm going to test it right now in front of you guys. Insane level er mishti. My god. Shea level মিষ্টি. So the dragon was really full of sweet. So yeah, see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.